Right, I've had a couple of requests for this, so here we go. MPC 2000 MIDI settings for drum machines and synths. MPC, well known as a sampler, but obviously it's great at doing MIDI as well, hence the name, MIDI Production Center. First of all, we've got a MIDI plug, MIDI cable rather, going out of the MPC and into the bit of hardware that you're using. So I'm going out A to the drum machine and out B to the TD-3. Let's go and have a look at the, and we've got obviously audio from all three going to a mixer which is out of shot. Make sure your TD-3 is in MIDI mode, hold these buttons down and press MIDI. Let's put the RD8 in MIDI mode, it is this button here, MIDI. To get to the MPC MIDI screen, it's Shift MIDI, and then let's zoom in a bit on that. Right, so go to the MIDI page. Here you can see MIDI clock. I've got it set to AB, so you can choose A or B or both. This will assign the clock from the MPC to the machines you've got plugged in, so set that to on. When we press play, both machines should play the patterns they have selected in with the clock of the MPC. Let's see. So that works. If you don't want that, if you want to play the machines with the pads, go back to the MIDI page, take that off, send MMC, leave that on, and leave it on AB if you've got two bits of hardware plugged in. Back to the main page, and here this is where you assign your tracks to each machine. So set this to 1, or A rather, A1, and this should now, when you hit the keys, if I can zoom out, it should trigger the sounds. And if we go to one of the channels I've already set up, which is just a case of selecting B, when we press this it should trigger the TD-3 sounds. So put them all together. You just record them in the same way as you would samples. And it should play my programmed, my program now. I better turn that off for the neighbours to start complaining. So yeah, there we are. Hopefully that's explained it. Good luck. Let us know how you get on. Cheers.